Hi friends, if you are in plan for making a professional e-commerce website like this video is exactly for you. This is a complete e-commerce website as you are watching on your screen, and it is a advanced WordPress theme. And in this video we have Yozi WordPress theme. It is a multi-purpose electronics WooCommerce WordPress theme. So if you have a category to make e-commerce website for electronic products, this video is exactly suitable for you, and you can choose Yozi theme without any doubt. And I have checked all the functionality and features of this theme. This has all the advanced features which you need for your e-commerce website, and it also comes with multiple home pages options. So there are 8 home pages, variety of preview layouts that will give your website a unique look. Enjoy the modern design which corresponds with all the latest web design trends. So you have choices. So dark version is also here. So you can choose any of the home page for your website project, and this is one of the demo using the Yozi's WordPress theme. This is Yozi's shop, and this is the another one. So all design has been aesthetically made, and the filter and the display type is very unique, so it gives a unique look to your e-commerce electronic e-commerce website. And this is good, as you can see, the simple single product listing as well. So in this video we are going to install Yozi multi-purpose electronics WooCommerce WordPress theme, and we will also import the demo content, preview the theme options and the customizations option as well. For this I have a fresh installation of WordPress in which the default 2021 WordPress theme has been installed with the latest version of WordPress, of course. And I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I have guides, licensing, samples. So this is demo data, in fact, the Yozi main theme file and the child theme file. Let us begin the installation. For this we have to go in the theme section of WordPress and click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here you need to choose Yozi_theme.zip file. And if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same file directly to the WP content themes folder. I am doing the same. It will save some time, and I will be able to show you the theme file size, and the theme file size is bit higher. As we can see, it is 27.23 MB in size. So this is a multi-featured, multi-vendor WordPress theme. This is why it is carrying all the additional files with it, and this can increase the size, of course. And as we have seen, this is working very fast on the website, so it does not matter, and all the features are working very fine, and the code quality is also very good. I have seen in the background. This is why it has been brought on this channel, and you have a reason to watch this video until end, as you never know the theme which you are going to select having what features and bringing what facilities to your website. And I am going to show you each and everything about the Yozi theme. So stay tuned, and I believe you are already a subscriber of this channel. So you are going to get wonderful WordPress stuff here. And now the theme has been uploaded, and once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file. This is the uploaded file. We can extract it, and the extraction outcome is this Yozi folder in which we got all the theme components. This is a multi-vendor WordPress theme which also supports the membership and multi-vendors also facility. This is why it has multiple features, like it is using token for multi-vendor feature. Okay, so now we can delete the zip one, it is not required, we have already extracted. Okay, so both the activities of uploading theme are same, don't get confused. Either you can upload the theme using WordPress interface, or you can use to upload directly on your hosting as I did. So now we are fine to go in the theme section of WordPress, and this is the Yozi WordPress theme as another theme option for us. And let us check the details. This is Yozi version 2.0.34. it is by Apps theme, and I'll tell you something more about this theme. The Apps theme are Power Elite authors, and I have seen all the themes made by Apps theme works very fine, and this Yozi shop particularly was made in 2018, and regular updates for this theme is also being done, as you can say. And we can conclude that this theme is well compatible with the latest version of WooCommerce and WordPress. This is why it has a technology advantage as well. It's okay. We were here. Now we can activate it, and upon activation we got alert that we need to install certain plugins to use and feature this theme. Okay, fine. So these are the list of plugins required for. In fact, some has been categorized as required and rest are recommended. So WooCommerce extensions and additional plugins are recommended only, but I will choose to install all the 12 plugins in one go, and I'm installing in fact all the plugins. You can leave the recommended one as you, if you just in case you don't want to use these features like WooCommerce wishlist, WooCommerce compare and variation swatches. So okay, you can even skip to installing all the recommended one, but I am installing all as I have to showcase all the theme features to you, and I am installing all in one go. And if you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugins one by one to avoid any error during the installation. And as you can see, it got installed in just few seconds. And if you are getting the WordPress theme from the link given in the description of this video, you can also opt to have this good quality hosting with your theme pack, and all the plugins has been installed now. And now next we have to activate all the plugins. So I am activating all the 12 plugins in one go. Okay, great. So all the plugins has been installed and activated. Just click on dashboard. You can check whether it needs certain WooCommerce information. Yes, it is redirecting to welcome page of information page of WooCommerce. So you have to put all the information applicable for you here and complete the setup process by clicking on continue next button. And okay, so there will be a step of choosing theme. Just choose there, and this process I'm not showing this, it is not so advanced or so required. You can do it easily. Just choose the theme, use my activated theme, that is Yozi activated theme. You will see one screen asking this information, and I am skipping this in fact, so it is not required for me as I am just demonstrating it. Okay, fine. So WooCommerce is installed and all plugins installed, theme itself installed. Now we can take a look of our website, how it looks. And this is the basic look of Yozi shop WordPress theme, and it is of course without any demo content, this is why it is showing only core look. And at this stage we need to have a demo website like this, and you can even start developing scratch from here. So theme and plugins are already installed, so you can use all the features of this theme along with the plugin features. But yes, most of the time we need to have demo website, like we can start editing the demo website and complete our website as early we can. So next I'll go to I'm going to explore the where the demo content importer is given, and let me find it out. Thumbnails, mega profile, photo builders. So I got the option for demo import. This is laying under tools tab, and this is Apps demo import option. So just click on Apps demo import, and this is the option, and these are we can select any, in fact. So you can choose to have home 1 or 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 5, 9 and all 6, so whatever. So I am choosing the very first one. I am considering this is the default, and I am clicking on click here and import demo data, and now it has been started. Install demo content, and it will definitely take some time because it is downloading media files and all such files from the developer server itself, and it also depends on your internet speed on your site. So it may take up to 10 minutes, and we have to wait on this screen without refreshing or leaving this page until it gets complete. So wait with patience, let it be completed, and you will reach on this screen when importing is successful. And you can go to the setting, you can change the location, and all the contents have been installed, and we will definitely go to the setting if required. So let us take another look of our website. Okay, so a wonderful website is here with all the features and all the images. So it is good, and a complete website is here, so we don't need to do anything, and just we need to put our own original stuff, that is our own product. And you can see the speed of website, how fast it is loading, and the features are really advanced and optimized. So in fact it is a very wonderful presentation of content. What a great theme it is, and the installation was really very smooth. So I will highly recommend this Yozi WordPress theme for your e-commerce electronics product, e-commerce websites. Basically it is for electronics, however you can use for it for other products as well, but it has been specifically made for the electronic products. And now, since we have successfully completed the installation along with the demo, and all features are working fine with this theme, so I'll show you the theme options. Just go to the dashboards and let us check what we got additional in the WordPress installation. This post, media, pages, comments, contact and footer builder is additional, and mega menu profiles, apps, testimonials. So I don't think I need to show you all these things. So these are common, but these are additional things which I am saying. So you can use these features for your website as well, and I believe it has been used somehow in the website development process. This is why it is here, and WooCommerce is of course here. So so theme options, this is the option which I wanted to show you, and this is the Yozi control panel. You can say this is the Yozi theme options, and this is the general theme options. header is here, so you can upload the logo from this screen, and rest of settings has been given here, so social media and all such things. And what I seen, track your order. Okay, so track your order feature can be added. And footer control is here, blog, shop settings, product archive, single product, 404, style, social media, and import export. So all the required controls has been given here, and we have full control over our website. So it is good, and we got a wonderful website in this activity, and this theme is really good, and it works with the WP Bakery page builder. So I'll show you just how to edit the page content, just in case you don't know how to edit the page content. Just open the page which you want to edit, in fact for which you want content you want to edit, and click on edit with WP Bakery page builder. And now the front end page builder is loading up. So what I'll rather advise you to take a backup of page which you are going to edit, at least for home page, using any duplicator plugin, so that just in case you made any mistake you can restore the page. And now the front end editor has been loaded, and it takes time in loading, so don't doubt in it. It takes time really. And this is the part, and you can simply click on the pencil icon, whatever you want to edit. So you will be able to edit the content and text and image content there, and you can even add or remove the sections from here. And so I believe Backend Editor is more comfortable, to me at least, so I'll recommend you to just go to the Backend Editor, just in case that is more comfortable, as I feel. So this is the Backend Editor, and it is simple. So you can use this Backend Editor simply, and just click on the pencil icon, whatever you want to edit you will be able to edit, and you can add or remove the sections as well. So all is fine with this theme, and we have a great outcome website with this, and you can have any of these for your website as well. What you have to do next, just get this theme by following the link given in the description of this video, and start building your own e-commerce electronic shop. And stay tuned for next wonderful theme, plugins and utilities. Thanks for watching.